Hello friends, welcome again. In this lecture, we will learn how to create a table, then how to insert our data inside that table. If we require to update the data inside the table, how we can do it. So let's move forward. The 3 steps to create the table is, first of all, name the table, then define the column, then assign the data types to the column. Okay. The syntax for creating the table is, first one is create table, that is the keyword, followed by the table name. Inside the bracket, we give the name of the column along with the data type of the column. If we want to specify the primary key, we can also do that. Okay. So let's do one exercise of creating our employee table in using the SQL query, and following are the headers. So first one is ID, the second was name, then age, gender and department. So let's move to the MS SQL server. Okay. I want to use the SQL table, that is the SQL table as the database, and let me check, we are in the SQL table. Okay, now inside it we will create a employee table. For that we will use the create table keywords, then employee table is the name of the table, then bracket open, the first column name is ID, EID, and it is the integer type. The second one is name, and it is varchar, and the size of the varchar is 20. And the third one is age, and it's also integer type. The fourth one is gender, and it is varchar, data type, and the final one is department, and it is also varchar. Okay, now we will specify the primary key, and here we will take the primary key, the ID column, because it is unique and it is not going to be null. Okay, so for that we will write primary key, bracket open close, and inside it put ID column, then semicolon, select the table query and execute it. See that this query has been executed and a table has been created inside the SQL table database. So we can see that here also. Go to the databases, and inside databases you will see SQL table databases. Inside it we will see the tables here. Okay, first of all we need to refresh it, and then go to SQL table tables. Okay, now you can see the employee table here, and if you furthermore expand it, you will see the columns as well. Okay, you can see that ID is the first column, the second column is name, the third column is age, gender and department, and we have specified ID to be the primary key. It is showing as a PK and int, as we have given integer its data type. The second one is name, and it can be null, and we can also specify it to be not null. Okay, the age, the gender and the department, as we have specified here in the query. Now let's insert the data inside the table. The syntax for inserting the data inside the table is insert into, followed by the table name, then the values keyword, and inside the bracket the value 1, value 2 is the data which will be inserted inside the table. Here the sequence of the value should be the same as the sequence of the column name. For example, the first value should be of ID, the second one should be of name, the third one should be salary, then age, followed by the gender, then department. Okay, now let's do an exercise. So we need to insert the information about 6 employees in the employee table, and this information is given below. The first one of Robert, the second one is of Brian, the third one is Divya, then Zulfa, Tom and Swati. So let's do it. Okay, we have created a table. Now we will insert the value here, and the keyword is, for the keyword, insert into followed by the table name where we want to insert the value, then value keyword, bracket open. The first value is the 1, that is the ID of first employee, and then the name of the employee is Robert, and what is age is 30. What is the gender is male, then department is operation. Okay, bracket close, and let's select this one and execute the query. Okay, its values. Now select this one, execute it. Okay, the data has been set. If you want to see the value, you will need to run this query, like star from and the employee table. We will learn about this query in the following lecture. I am running this query just to see how data has been inputted in the employee table. Select this one, then execute. Okay, see the data has been input in the employee table. Similarly, we will do it for the other employees. Name is Brian, age is 52, male, department finance, okay, let's execute it. See, one node has been impacted, so we can again see the data and execute it. See, the two records has been shown here. The first one was Robert and the second one is Robert. Similarly for the other people as well. Third one is Divya. Hari is 32, female, department is tech, let's execute it. Now the fourth one is Josefa, and age is 35, male, department purchase. Okay, let's execute it. Then Tom, age is 57, then male, then analytics is the department. let's execute it. The last one is Swati. Her age is 35. Female. And department is tech. Execute. Okay. The completion time. Okay. And now let's see all the results again. Using this query, select star from employee table. Select this one, then execute. See, all the data we have imported is showing here. Okay. Now coming back to the slide. Now we will discuss about the update statement. So what is the use of update statement? Update is used to modify existing records in a table. And the syntax for doing it is update is the keyword followed by the table name. Then set is a keyword column in which we want to change the value, and where is the condition we will specify. Okay, let's do exercise to understand it much better. Suppose one of the employee Robert has changed the department from operations to vendor management. Now we need to update the same in the table employee table. So let's go back to MS SQL Server. So Robert has changed the department. So okay, the keyword is update followed by the table name. Table name is employee. Then set, and I need to change the name department to the vendor management. Okay, then where is the condition which we will specify, where the department will be changed, where the name of the person is Robert. Okay, this is one is the condition. Now let's execute it. Okay, see, now let's see the table. Select star from employee table. Okay, now earlier the department was operations. Now the department has been changed to the vendor management. Okay, now I will change the department of Robert again back to the operations. So let's do it again here. Update, first of all keyword is update followed by the employee table, that is the name of the table. Then set is the keyword, and which department I need to change. I need to change it to operation, and where the this change will be affect where the name of the employee is Robert. There the name of the employee is Robert. Okay, select and execute. Let's see the changes here. See, the changes has been done. It has been now changed back to the operation. Okay, now delete statement. Delete statement is used to delete the existing record in the table. Syntax for it is delete followed by the from, then the table name is given. Now the other keyword is where. Let's do an exercise to understand it. So one of the employees Swati has left the company. Now delete the Swati records from the table employee table. For that, let's go back to the here. First keyword is delete from keyword, then employee table, where I want to remove the records of the Swati. So I will type the name Swati. Okay, and execute the. Now I will see the the Swati records has been deleted. Okay, so this finishes our lecture here. I hope you have enjoyed it all. Thank you and have a nice day.